Jigsaw Trading versus Quantower. Choosing the right trading platform can transform how you analyze markets without overwhelming complexity. Jigsaw offers depth in order flow, while Quantower focuses on versatile multi-asset trading tools. Jigsaw Trading and Quantower serve traders with distinct approaches. Jigsaw centers on order flow and market depth analysis, ideal for futures traders. Quantower delivers a flexible, multi-asset platform with extensive charting and connectivity, suited for a broader range of markets. Jigsaw Trading is a specialized platform designed to provide advanced order flow analysis and market depth visualization. It works by collecting and displaying detailed order book data, allowing traders to see real-time buying and selling pressure. Its strength lies in tools like depth and sales windows, footprint charts, and reconstructed tape, which give traders precise insight into market liquidity and order execution. Jigsaw excels for futures traders focused on reading price action through volume and order flow. However, it has limitations. It primarily targets futures markets, so traders in stocks or forex may find it less applicable. The interface, while powerful, can have a learning curve for beginners. Overall, Jigsaw Trading is ideal for active futures traders seeking granular market data to improve timing and trade decisions. Quantower is a multi-asset trading platform that supports futures, stocks, options, and forex. It offers advanced charting, customizable workspaces, and direct connectivity to numerous brokers and exchanges. Quantower's architecture allows traders to monitor multiple markets simultaneously with tools like multi-chart layouts, DOM, depth of market, and algorithmic trading capabilities. Its strengths include flexibility across asset classes and integration with popular data feeds, making it suitable for traders who diversify their portfolios. Quantower also supports automated trading strategies and scripting, appealing to tech-savvy users. On the downside, Quantower's broad feature set can be overwhelming initially, and some advanced tools require additional setup or plugins. It's best suited for traders who need a versatile platform to manage various asset types with professional-grade tools. Jigsaw Trading and Quantower target different trader needs. Jigsaw's focus on order flow and futures market depth makes it ideal for traders who prioritize detailed volume analysis and precise entry points in futures. Its specialized tools provide a deep understanding of market microstructure, but limit its use to futures markets. Quantower, in contrast, offers a comprehensive platform for multiple asset classes, including stocks and forex, with strong charting and automation features. Traders looking for a one-stop solution across markets will benefit from Quantower's flexibility. The trade-off is that Quantower may lack the ultra-specialized order flow insights Jigsaw provides. Choosing between them depends on whether you need focused futures order flow analysis or a versatile multi-asset trading environment. Choose Jigsaw Trading if your priority is in-depth order flow analysis and futures trading, with tools designed for precision and market depth insight. Options Samurai versus bar chart, which are options tool is a bar chart in summarizes screening capable more than just as. It's perfect for traders who want flexibility and professional tools across futures, stocks, and forex markets in one unified interface.